Hi Vidya.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, actually, I just want to ask you some questions, okay, regarding this ambassador car.
Yeah.
Yeah, before going to that, okay, I thought, see, just want to ask, you used to post so many videos about ambassador car and photos, and you'll be keep on updating something. Okay, even though it is like, okay, you used to get so many questions like, okay, is it for sale? Okay, repeatedly have to answer the same things. Okay, no, but yeah, it is little frustrating. But still, you used to keep on posting the things about the cars. Okay, what you're doing with the cars. Okay, maybe something when you do some restoration or something you do some new polish, or when you're taking somewhere. Okay, some long journey, like that, etc. And you might have faced so many appreciating. I mean, you might have seen so many appreciating comments who are enthusiasts about the ambassador car, or who is passionate about vintage car. And sometimes you may get some waste experience, like some people who don't know what is speciality of keeping the ambassador car. Okay, I have seen. Okay, I was also part of that. Just I want to know. Okay, what is your main purpose of the posting this ambassador? I mean, mainly ambassador car related things, and how you feel. Okay, when you see somebody appreciate, or some people but you got it to my point. Yeah, just I want your views about it.
First of all, hi everyone. I would like to welcome you guys to my channel on this new video. There is one Ambi again. Yeah, this is a very beautiful sight. We are actually traveling in Kerala, so beautiful car, very well maintained. To continue, big question, Jinto. I might have to, divide the answer into different parts.
Yeah.
Right. So to start off with, to answer your question, where I keep posting about cars, of my cars, pictures, videos. I would like to say that there are hell lot of content, that is waiting to be published in YouTube, where I have to make videos on different contents that is there.
Okay.
And there are already 3-4 videos which is short, and I've not compiled it because of the time constraints that I have.
Okay.
Be it the journey of Prayagraj and certain vlogs which I've done in my journeys, where I've spoken about a lot of things. So that is going to come soon. To answer to your questions, the first question, because it's a long question again, right? I have to divide the answer into different parts. So coming into the first question, why I keep posting a lot of pictures and a lot of videos about the cars. I just want to tell you that already I have a lot of contents that is waiting to be published.
Okay, that is nice.
But there are a lot of contents on which the videos can be made, which can be helpful for my fellow Ambi owners, or probably who wants to own one Ambi, like how you got inspired, or how my brother-in-laws got inspired and procured the Ambis. So that is one of the reasons why I want to make videos. Say there are 2 or 3 videos which is already waiting to be compiled, and I was not able to upload because of my time constraints. Say the journey to Prayagraj, to and fro, the entire journey. I have the videos with me, so which I'll be compiling and uploading to my channel shortly, probably in the next week. So I just wanted to let you guys know that there are new contents that is going to come in the channel, right? So to answer your question precisely, as my name itself says in the channel, Ambi Shankar, right? Ambassador car has become my identity. I just happened to meet one of my clients in Hyderabad. Day before yesterday, I was in Hyderabad for a meeting. So when I spoke to him, so he's like, did you fly, or did you get your Ambi to Hyderabad? We are excited to see your Ambi. I'm like, no, for the first time, for a change, I flew to Hyderabad. So they were like, you should have come in the Ambi. We don't get to see that. It's become very rare, and especially to see a very well maintained car or to travel in them, it's just a treat. They say that they kind of refresh all their memories what they have with respect to the Ambis.
Yeah,
right?
that, yeah, everybody has that. Even
Yeah.
especially 90s.
Exactly, the 90s kids or the the 80s, 70s, 80s,
Yeah.
whoever it is, right? So that is one of the reasons why I keep posting the pictures where, I just want to make it very clear that it is not something to boost that I have so many cars. That is not the intentions at all. The reason why I am posting those pictures is that someone who enjoys or who loves these classics or who loves these cars, they can relive their memories, right? And also if I can inspire anyone to buy the cars, nothing like it, I assume that maybe majority of them might disagree with me, as we see, keep seeing the comments in the post I get in my Facebook profiles. But yeah, that is part and parcel of the game, that which I can't do anything. But where even if it's a small thing, where I call it as an Ambi family, or by posting these videos or posting these photos, if we can build a community where we can be of help for each other, say with respect to spares or with respect to service availability, service, or different ideas how you can modify the cars to make it roadworthy, compared to the present. There are Ambis there, if you can see.
Oh,
Some
just-
good Ambis, very well maintained. Okay, surprising. I mean, this is,
Okay.
I think, this is the first trip where we have spotted so many Ambis.
Ambis, yeah.
Right? So that is one of the things why I have been posting the videos or photos on Facebook. And you guys have supported me very well, right? So I would expect the same kind of support, or request you guys to support me similarly, to add more contents to YouTube which can be of help. This is the first question. Secondly, the another part where people ask, is it for sale?